my ball falls short of the length, so I want to be able to figure out how I can pitch it up.
How did you come to know about me?
Yeah.
It's an Olympic as well in 2027. I guess it is in America, right?
I want to understand the technique for the run up.
Hello guys, welcome back to Cricket Aura by Ashish Shetty. Today here with me, one is a student. He plays from which, where do you play?
Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas. Okay, so I don't know the state or I don't know the city. Maybe you write it down, so I'll write on the caption or something like that. Yeah. So you came from that. You are originally from Yatmal or like?
No, I was born in Warangal. In Telangana.
Okay.
And my family shifted to United States.
Okay.
Long ago. I'm here visiting family.
Okay.
And
how did you come to know about me?
Yeah, I got to know about you through Always. Okay. He had taken your coaching.
Okay.
For some time, and he would always had positive things to say about you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be here for 10 days, and so that's why I reached out to you to see if we can do some sessions together.
Right. So basically, he plays there 2020 mostly, right?
2020.
So he came to take personal coaching sessions with me, and I'll be working on him. Like for 10 days, I can't do much to his improvement. Like I'll just give him the understanding. I can't change the basics a lot because you don't have that much time, and even after going there, you are not a professional cricketer. You are like working on some like your business.
I work full time as an analyst.
Analysis. To what analysis?
Wells Fargo Bank.
Okay, so bank, you work in the bank, right? So he's a working guy, but he plays 2020 regularly over there, weekends. Like, and in America, cricket is growing a lot. Next time, like it's an Olympic as well in 2027. I guess it is in America, right? So good that you came here, and hopefully, if you work, like you will perform well, and for your bank or corporate, anything wherever you play, I'll make sure I'll give you what you need first. I need to understand what you need first, and most probably basics. We need to correct the basics at little bit of basics. That way only we can like dominate the game at consistent level. I know we cannot do much, but small amount of basics we have to do. We will do here, and again I'll try and develop your shots and correct your whatever bowling mistakes and bowling will. I'll try to improve your variation. Some variation you'll learn one or two variations, whatever time you are able to give, and I have also commitment of other matches. So first tell me, what's your analyze about your game? Means, are you first bowler, mainly bowler, or batter, or how do you wanna like assess your game?
Yeah, I'm bowler first.
Okay.
My role on the team is bowling first.
Okay.
I usually bowl in the opening spell.
Okay. So you bowl with new ball.
Always. New ball. Okay. Yeah. Right now, that's
your height is quite good, and I saw your bowling is like running technique like little bit, but your ball is coming nice. Okay.
Yeah. So I bowl that, and then sometimes depending on the match, like bowl the depth overs as well. So that's my primary role. Recently, I've been sent batting up the order.
Okay.
6th, 7th. So I'm batting a little bit up now.
Okay.
I have never done batting coaching.
Okay.
So for me, it was important to start learning technique.
So have you done bowling coaching in your childhood?
No, just
you're a natural bowler.
Yeah,
just whatever comes naturally to you.
Correct.
That's
yes.
Okay. अगर आपको आईपीएल में अपनी जगह बनानी है तो प्रिपरेशन का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो एस्पेक्ट है वो है वीडियो एनालिसिस। अगर आप वीडियो एनालिसिस के बारे में पहले बॉल पे छक्का मारना है आपको, तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि आपकी बैट सही आ रही है या नहीं आ रही, बॉटम एंड टाइट है या नहीं है, क्योंकि बॉल हलते रहता है, स्विंग होते रहता है, तो वहाँ पे शेप मेंटेन करना जरूरी है। और ये बहुत सारी चीजें नजरअंदाज हो जाती है जब अपन बैटिंग करते रहते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं। वैसे ही बॉलिंग में ऐसा रहता है कि बॉलिंग में आपका हाथ गिर रहा है, जैसे मोहम्मद शमी का पूरा बैक स्पिन होता है, बहुत जनों का नहीं होता है, हाथ गिर जाता है, रिस्क गिर जाती है। ये सारी चीजें अगर एनालिसिस करनी है तो एक हाई लेवल का फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम वीडियो आपको जरूरी है, और वही प्रोवाइड किया जाता है बायो फोटोग्राफी के द्वारा। बायो क्रिकेट फोटोग्राफी एंड वीडियोग्राफी के द्वारा काफी बहुत बेहतरीन फुटेज प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, जिससे आपको मदद होंगी अलग अलग अपने जो स्ट्रेंथ है और वीकनेसेस है जानने के लिए। तभी आप कर पाएंगे, पहले बॉल पे छक्का मार पाएंगे, तभी आप वो वेरिएशंस कर पाएंगे। वेरिएशंस डेवलप करने के लिए वीडियोग्राफी भी बहुत, जो हाई लेवल का फुटेज है, बहुत काम का है। वही आप देख सकते हैं मेरे वीडियोस में, मेरे 4-5 साल की कंसिस्टेंसी का कारण वो है, बहुत बड़ा गेम चेंजर है। तो आप बायो फोटोग्राफी से कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नंबर दिया गया है, वो कोई भी एकेडमी में आके जुड़ सकते हैं, और वेरियस मेरे भी एकेडमी में आके जुड़ सकते हैं, और वेरियस एकेडमी में आपके एकेडमी में भी जुड़ सकते हैं। तो आपका फुटेज लिया जाएगा और आपको हाई लेवल का एनालिसिस किया जाएगा। चलिए वीडियो के तौर आगे बढ़ते हैं। प्राइमरी गोल दैट फॉर नेक्स्ट 10 days व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर?
Bowling wise, I definitely, my run up is a mess. I want to improve. I want to understand the technique for the run up, and get my run up, start developing my run up.
Right.
And then my ball falls short of the length, so I want to be able to
Pitch it
figure
up.
out how I can pitch it up without losing pace.
Right.
And without always losing my line as well. So that's my focus for bowling.
Where do you play on turf wickets, or on cement wickets, on concrete surfaces? Where do you play there?
Concrete
Matches?
carpet. Concrete carpet.
Concrete and AstroTurf?
Yeah, AstroTurf.
Green
Yes,
AstroTurf.
yes.
Okay. So there are no turf wickets over there?
Limited. There's a lot of ground, so whichever is available usually.
So have you played on turf wickets as well?
Very limited.
Okay. You played, but
Yes.
yeah. So you have the experience. So in that aspect, if you are playing on AstroTurf, you are not allowed to use spikes, right? So it might slip sometimes, right?
Yep.
Due to dew as well. Like,
Yes.
it's a cold weather out there,
Right now in the winter time, yes.
and overall.
Overall, I mean, it tends to. It's not that bad in Dallas.
Okay.
Winter and spring seasons are good,
Okay, so all
but
this,
there is dew sometimes.
Okay, so this all aspects come into play when we are developing cricket. So for us, we are going to play on a heavy hot weather,
Yeah.
right? And on a surface which don't allow the ball to bounce a lot, because there are not so many facilities, and the soil is like black soil. So black soil don't allow ball to rise a lot. Like in Australia, there's a red soil and it bounces a lot. So it's a different thing. So we prepare according to that. So in Australia, there are cross-batted shots a lot because the bounce is there. So you have to play cross-batted shot a lot to score runs. But in India, you have to play vertical bat shots as well. So I'm just understanding the situation over there.
Yep.
To analyze and what to work on your game, right? So
Yes.
yeah, that's what I'm doing by this conversation. हेलो गाइस, वीडियो के बीच में आपको रोकने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ, बट बहुत सारे लोग ये पूछते रहते हैं जो मेरे टी शर्ट पे लिखा है सस्ता ट्रैवलर, लेस ट्रैवल बैगेज फ्री। तो ये क्या है गाइस? ये एक बहुत बेहतरीन टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स कंपनी है जो कि आपको ग्रुप टूर्स प्रोवाइड करती है। बहुत सारे वीडियोस भी मैं बना रहा हूँ अपने सस्ता ट्रैवलर के चैनल पे, अगर आपने देखे नहीं है तो चेकआउट कीजिए। बहुत अमेजिंग ट्रैवलर स्टोरीज है। क्रिकेटर्स सारे जन ट्रैवलर्स तो रहते ही है। आप सस्ता ट्रैवलर कीजिए, बैगेज फ्री ट्रैवल कीजिए, और जो भी इस बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन और चाहते हैं वो वेबसाइट पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में वेबसाइट दी गई है। फिलहाल के लिए वीडियो पे वापस चलते हैं। सो yeah, I very much got the idea and slowly will get to converse a lot. Anything you like to mention, what we need to do? Like, do you want to improve your variations or shot making, or you want to improve your defense technique? What's the average score over there when you play? I think it's not much, means you score around 140. Winning team.
So sometimes, actually, it varies.
Okay.
We've seen 220.
Okay.
We've seen 180s, 150s. Typical average score is like 150 to 160,
Okay.
depending on the division. There's A through E division.
So what division you are
I'm
playing?
part of D division.
D division. Okay. So average score is 150 around. Like it's a winning total.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So Yeah, that's again. So, what kind of conditions you get? It bounce a lot, or it turns a lot, or it turns.
There is a little bit of turn,
Right.
not too much. Bounce wise, there are some wickets that you get the good bounce.
Okay.
You can pitch it up and you'll still get the bounce because of the cement surface.
Okay.
And in the mornings there's dew,
Okay.
but in the afternoon it's usually clear.
Yeah. So I very much got the idea, and we will work according to that. Ki what are the shots we can improve on? So suppose we are like, if ball is bouncing and like we have to improve like square cut and like that aspect, we will work on that. So many things are there. I'll first, what we will do is we will give you batting in the nets and bowling in the nets, and we will see how you are playing against different type of bowlers, right? First we will analyze that, and we will see how you are bowling to right-handed and left-handed, and then we will will show you the videos, and we will show you the mistakes or your strength and weaknesses. We will show that, and then we will work on those aspects, right? So that way we are going to work. And I hope guys, whoever watching is that last time the foreigners came, Australian came, one Dubai player came, and he is living in America. He is coming from personal coaching. You can come for like one Canada team wanted to come last year for spin bowling camp. So we also provide that. Specifically we improve spin bowling to play in when there are not good enough spinning tracks over there. So we will also develop that. If you want to come, you can come here, join our academy. And if you like this video, if you like we will also get the review from you. Ki if you like then we will add at the end. Ki if you like all the facilities given to you, then we will be more than happy to like contribute to your success in whatever capacity we can possible for us. So for now guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and till the next time, love you all.